Hey, everybody. Nothing is worse than realizing a customer still hasn't paid you for the work that you did months ago. I'm Joanne with Day One Accounting and Financial Services, and I'm your QuickBooks and bookkeeping expert. So, unpaid invoices equal cash flow problems. And today is day 11 of 31 days to 31 ways to clean books. So, today we're cleaning up aged receivables. So let's get you paid faster. All right, so if your aged receivables aren't managed, you're dealing with delayed cash flow, higher risk of bad debts, and confusion when reviewing income reports. So here's what you need to do. First, we're going to go to Reports in QuickBooks. Then we're going to hit Accounts Receivable Aged Summary in the QuickBooks. Identify, once you're looking at this report, any past due invoices, and then you're going to send a reminder immediately, because let's face it, guys, the longer you take to actually get paid, the harder it is to get paid. So if an invoice is truly uncollectible, you're going to have to write it off as a bad debt expense, as a bad debt expense account. And you can create that account if it's not already in your QuickBooks. Then I want you to set up automatic invoice reminders in QuickBooks to prevent this problem in the future. And if you're not utilizing the invoicing feature in QuickBooks, you're missing out. Sometimes people are using, an app that they have. Maybe you're a photographer and you use like a CRM and you can do invoices through the CRM. That's all well and good, but QuickBooks actually sets it up so that you can send automatic reminders. So this is probably the right place to put those invoices, and stay on top of your receivables. You'll keep your business cash flow running and strong. Okay. Now, if this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And you want to avoid more QuickBooks mistakes? Then download my free ebook, Mastering QuickBooks. The link is below. Now, you want to subscribe because tomorrow we're going to tackle organizing vendor payments, because paying vendors late can hurt your business. I'm Joanne with Day One Accounting because, well, you got to start somewhere. So start with Day One.